Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi and the MSI Pro B760M-P DDR4 Pro Series. Get ready for some serious tech talk and let's dive right in. The first category we'll be comparing is CPU support. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi supports the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors, while the MSI Pro B760M-P DDR4 Pro series supports 12th 13th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors for LGA 1700 socket. Moving on to memory support, the B650M-A WiFi supports the latest DDR5 memory, while the B760M-P DDR4 Pro series supports DDR4 memory with dual-channel DDR4 4800 plus MHz OC. Let's talk performance now. Both motherboards feature Core Boost, which provides better performance and supports more cores. They also have Memory Boost for enhanced stability and compatibility. Last but not least, let's talk about thermal solutions. The B650M-A WiFi comes with a premium thermal solution, including a 7W pad, additional choke thermal pad, and M.2 shield Frozr. On the other hand, the B760M-P DDR4 Pro series features M.2 shield Frozr for optimal cooling. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi motherboard is highly recommended for those looking for solid performance on a budget. It offers great value for its price and has a good balance of features and performance. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B760M-P DDR4 Pro series motherboard is praised for being an affordable option for budget-conscious individuals. It provides a detailed manual and has good driver and BIOS support. However, some reviewers have experienced issues with the VRMs running hot. And there you have it, folks. The battle of the motherboards is over, but the decision is in your hands. Which one will you choose? Leave a comment below and let us know your preference. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic comparisons and helpful tips. Until next time, happy shopping and remember to always buy smart.